This is a coffee cup. Probably wondering what it has to do with criminal defense. It's really nothing more than just a bunch of coffee grounds in a cup that really doesn't look like much. But if you take this coffee cup, you place it in the hands of a skilled criminal defense attorney who knows what they're doing, who believes in you, that has the training and experience to handle your case, and you put it into a coffee cup or a coffee maker, and that coffee maker knows what it's doing. You end up with a hot, fresh, steaming cup of coffee ready to take on the world and ready to solve your problems and make a new day.